On behalf of Florence-Darlington Technical College, I am thrilled to extend our warmest congratulations on your achievements. Your graduation is not merely a final step, but a pinnacle of hard work, perseverance, and a commitment to excellence that you have demonstrated throughout your academic career. Your success is a beacon of inspiration for all, and we commend you for turning your dreams into reality. Prior to arrival, please note the following. This is a dignified ceremony, and you should give your accomplishment the respect it deserves. We ask that your family and friends refrain from loud outbursts during the ceremony. Florence-Darlington Technical College will not have a rehearsal. Therefore, all graduates must arrive to the Florence Center no later than 4:30 p.m. on the day of graduation. We have very limited amount of time to correctly pass out name cards and line up 500 graduating students alphabetically in their program. With more than 3,000 people expected to attend, traffic will be difficult, so please leave your home early. Lastly, graduation will start promptly at 6 p.m. Parking and ticket information. Tickets are not required. Therefore, there is no limit on how many guests graduates can invite. Your family and friends will be required to park on the upper level deck. No flowers or balloons will be allowed, and clear bags will be enforced. Graduates, faculty, and staff will park on the lower level parking lot, Gate 5, and enter at the bottom entrance doors. Family members will not be allowed to enter the exhibit hall with graduates on the lower parking area. Appropriate ceremonial attire. Traditionally, all candidates should dress in semi-professional attire. At the beginning of the processional, all candidates will wear tassels on the right side of their caps. During the conferring of the degrees by President Dr. Jermaine Ford, tassels are moved to the left side collectively. Cap decorating procedures. Please take into consideration the following rules when decorating your graduation cap. Failure to follow these rules will result in a replacement cap being given to you prior to commencement. There should be no offensive language, sayings, nicknames, pictures, or lyrics on your cap. There should be no objects such as signs, stuffed animals, bells, flowers, or any 3D objects on your cap. Lastly, there should be no political views. Examples of what can go on your cap. Think a parent, grandparent, teacher, or friend. You can also recognize the college or university you will be attending. The office of the registrar staff will be seated inside of the exhibit hall rooms 106 and 107 at the Florence Center once you arrive. Please pick up your name card, go immediately to the line listed on the back of your name card in exhibit hall rooms 106 and 107. FDTC staff will be on hand to assist you with robing and lining up. Remember, lineup time is promptly at 4:30 p.m. The card you will be given will be the card used to call your name as you walk across the stage. Please make sure that you bring this card with you when you enter the arena and keep it with you at all times. The reader will not know who you are when you come to the stage without your name card. Graduation photos. The company, Grad Images, will be at the commencement to take one picture of each graduate as they walk toward the stage, and one photo as they walk across the stage. The information on the back of your graduation name card given to you at the time of registration should be completed with your information to include your name, address, and email address. A copy of your photos will be sent directly to you from Grad Images after purchase. Graduation honors. Academic honors and PTK Honor Society members will be notated in the program. Students with honors will be read during the ceremony as they walk across the stage and will be notated on each student's name card. Honors will be based on your fall academic semester average. Stoles purchased should be FDTC school colors or graduates program colors. Processional Instructions. The processional will begin promptly at 6 o'clock p.m. FDTC staff will lead you into the arena as outlined in the program. Please try to keep a 2 to 3 feet space between you and the person marching directly in front of you as you enter into the auditorium. FDTC staff will be on hand to direct you into your row and seat. Continue standing during the JROTC's presentation of colors, the national anthem, and the invocation. After the JROTC candidates exit the stage, graduates may then be seated. Ceremony. After the guest speaker finishes speaking and returns to their seat, Dr. Moundfield will approach the podium and instruct the candidates on the first 3 rows to stand. All other graduates will remain seated until your row is called. When you arrive to the stage, present your card to the reader. Keep walking as your name is called. You will shake hands with Dr. Moundfield, Dr. Ford, the guest speaker, and our board chair. Each graduate will be handed an empty cover with your left hand and shake hands with your right. Once all graduates on your row return to their seat, at that time the entire row should be seated together. After the benediction, the recessional will begin. The platform party will exit first, followed by faculty and then our graduates. FDTC staff will prompt you when to exit your row, and then exit to meet your family. All degrees can be picked up on Monday following commencement for all spring graduates only. December graduates will have already received their degrees. Summer graduates will receive degrees at the end of the summer semester. Lastly, graduates who need special assistance. Graduates, if you are disabled and require special assistance, please contact the Registrar's Office staff immediately at 843-661-8157 so we can plan for your needs in advance. Again, congratulations